Okay, so here I'm going to show you how to sign into your account and just sort of the basics of using your OneSearch account. And you can click either My Account or Sign In. It'll take you to the same page here. And you want to click on SJSU Student and Employee Login. And then you just sign in the same way that you sign into anything else at SJSU. And here you can click on My Account, and it'll show you loans, fines and fees, requests, blocks of messages. Here you can also change the personal details, so what phone number and stuff you have on file with the school. Also up here in this right hand corner, you can go to what you pin, and I'll show you how to do that in the next section of the OneSearch item. And then this also shows you your search history, and that only records what you did in this one session. So if you didn't decide to pin your search or your search results, it's not going to appear in the search history if you did it during another time.